Hello and welcome to the instructional video of the Koi remote controller. The central circle button is used for switching and stopping automatic mode. The buttons surrounding are used to change its direction while the robot is in manual mode. Moving on, the bottom two buttons are for mode switching and the timing function. If you would like Koi to operate in static mode, do not press any buttons. When the robot is switched on, Koi will automatically be on static mode. There is a total of 5 preset modes which comes with the robot: free movement mode, Yanbian mode, fixed point surround expansion movement mode, zigzag movement mode, and the manual mode. Pressing the mode switching button allows you to toggle between different modes. For each mode, the number of beeps will correlate accordingly, all the way to 5 beeps. The sequence of the modes will be displayed in this video. On initial startup, press the central circle button to begin the robot in automatic mode. For the first mode, free movement, the robot moves freely with no restrictions or pattern. In the second mode, Yanbian mode, the robot moves along the side of the wall to capture mosquitoes in every corner. In the third mode, fixed point, the robot turns in the same direction about the stationary point and tries to expand its territory. On fourth mode, zigzag, the robot moves in angles from left to right. Last mode, manual, you are given the freedom to control its direction with the controls on the top. Goes without being said, forwards, backwards, towards the left, and lastly towards the right. If you want to return back to static mode from any automatic modes, you can do so by pressing the pause button. When the bumper makes contact with an obstacle, the sensor will be triggered and the robot will turn and move away until it finds a clear path. On initial startup, the robot operates in a 5 minutes motion and 45 minutes static interval. Pressing the timer button once, the robot enters the second timing function and you will hear 2 beeps. This switches the robot to 10 minutes motion and 35 minutes static. Press the button a second time, you will hear 3 beeps. And you are being brought to the third timing function. Now, the robot is in motion for 15 minutes and static for 30 minutes. On the next button press, you will hear 1 beep, which brings the robot back to its initial startup timing configuration of 5 minutes in motion and 45 minutes static. When the robot is picked up or it detects any height like steps, it will automatically stop due to the sensors underneath the robot. For maximum results, use Koi over a longer period consistently. Thank you for watching this video and hope you have a good time using Koi.